I live in the middle of Scotland, within the Loch Lomond and Trossachs National Park, um, around about 5 minutes drive from the eastern shore of Loch Lomond. It is a glorious place to live. There are sheltering hills that surround us, and then rolling green fields full of sheep. And right in the middle, there is this great body of water. And Loch Lomond is immense, and it is fringed by these very beautiful oak woods, which I think are at their best in October and November. I have lived here around about 21, 22 years. And this stretch, my favourite place to come if I just need to connect back into the natural world, have some peaceful time to think, this is where I come. And incorporating this kind of idea of place and connection into my creativity is really important to me. And acorns, which fall from these trees, are one of my favorite things to dye wool with. There is just something about collecting and spending that time and then taking it back to my studio and pulverizing those acorns, really pulverizing them. It's all part of the process. And making what is basically just a very strong tea to put the mordanted wool in. And then just letting time take its place. Time is very important when you're dyeing things. And you get such a beautiful, kind of rich brown color from the acorns, which is very, very color fast. So it's full of tannins. And you can just make things. These hanks here are destined to be socks. And that idea of wearing something that is just part of the natural scenery and world that surrounds me, that's what I really love.